Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
Where we make English simple, fun, and maybe a little funny.
If you enjoy learning English in a relaxed and natural way, don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the like button because it really helps the channel grow.
Okay, let's start properly. I'm Anna,
And I'm Tom.
and today we are talking about something super important.
Did versus done versus doing.
Yes, 3 small words, big confusion.
Honestly, I've seen people avoid using them because they're not sure which one is correct.
Exactly, but after today, you won't be afraid anymore.
You'll be confident, or at least less confused.
That's a good start.
Okay, Anna, can we start simple, like very simple?
Of course, let's start with doing.
Doing. That one feels easier.
Yes, because doing is the present continuous form. It means something is happening right now.
So if I say I am doing my homework, it means I'm working on it right now?
Exactly, Tom. Right now, at this moment.
Okay, that makes sense. Let me try another one. She is doing the dishes.
Perfect. That means she is washing dishes right now.
So anytime I see am, is, are plus doing, it's happening now.
Yes, that's a great rule to remember.
I like this already. My brain is calm.
Good, but don't relax too much because did is coming.
Oh no. Okay, let's do it.
Did is the past form of do.
So it means something already happened.
Exactly. Finished in the past.
So if I say I did my homework, it means I finished it?
Yes, and it's done in the past. Maybe yesterday, maybe earlier today, but it's finished.
Okay, so I am doing is now, and I did is already finished.
Perfect, Tom. You're getting it.
Wait, I feel proud of myself.
You should be.
Let me try a few more. He did his job.
Good.
We did the shopping.
Also correct.
They did the work quickly.
Nice one.
Wow, this is not that scary.
Not yet.
Wait, what do you mean not yet?
Because now we talk about done.
Ah, yes, the mysterious done.
Don't worry, done is actually not scary. It's just used differently.
Okay, explain slowly.
Done is the past participle of do.
Past participle. Okay, that already sounds complicated.
I know, but listen carefully. We use done with helping verbs like have, has, or had.
So I can't just say I done my homework.
No, that's incorrect in standard English.
So I must say I have done my homework.
Exactly.
So did is alone, but done needs a helper.
That's a very good way to think about it.
Oh, I like that. Done needs a friend.
Yes, done always needs a friend like have, has, or had.
Let me try. I have done my work.
Perfect.
I have done her homework.
Yes.
We have done everything.
Great.
Okay, I think I understand, but also I feel like I don't fully understand.
That's normal. Let's compare them.
Yes, please.
Listen carefully. I did my homework. This means you finished it in the past. Simple past.
Okay.
I have done my homework. This means it is finished and it's important now.
Important now?
Yes, like maybe your teacher is asking, have you done your homework?
Oh, and I say, yes, I have done it.
Exactly. The result matters now.
So did is just past, but have done connects past to now.
Yes, Tom, that's the key idea.
Wow, that actually makes sense.
Good. Let's practice a little.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'll ask you questions. You answer using did, done, or doing.
Oh, this is dangerous.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Question 1. What are you right now? You are speaking English.
I am doing speaking English.
Close, but better. I am speaking English.
All right, but if we use doing, I am doing my English practice.
Perfect correction.
Okay, I'm warming up.
Question 2. Yesterday, what did you...
Yesterday, I did my homework.
Excellent.
That was easy.
Question 3. Have you finished your work?
Yes, I have did my work.
Small mistake.
Oh no.
It should be I have done my work.
Right, done needs a friend.
Exactly.
I like that rule. It's simple and funny.
Sometimes funny rules are easier to remember.
True.
Let's make it more real. Imagine you're at work.
Okay, I'm already tired.
Your boss asks, Tom, have you done the report?
I say, yes, I have done the report.
Good.
Or, no, I am still doing it.
Perfect. That's a great sentence.
Oh, I like that. Still doing it sounds very natural.
Yes, very natural in daily English.
What if I finished it yesterday?
Then you can say, I did the report yesterday.
So 3 different situations. I am doing it now. I did it, finished in the past. I have done it, finished, important now.
Exactly. You just summarized the whole lesson.
Wait, are we done already?
Not even close.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Let's make it more fun with a short conversation.
I love role plays.
Okay, I'll be your friend.
That's easy.
Hey, Tom, what are you doing?
I am doing my homework.
Did you do your homework yesterday?
No, I didn't do it yesterday.
So, have you done it now?
No, I am still doing it.
Perfect. That was great.
That actually felt natural.
That's the goal.
Can we do another one?
Of course.
Okay, I'll start. Anna, have you done your shopping?
Yes, I have done my shopping.
When did you do it?
I did it this morning.
And what are you doing now?
Now I am relaxing.
Wow, you're productive.
Thank you.
I feel like these words are everywhere.
They really are. You use them in daily life all the time.
Homework, shopping, work, cleaning?
Exactly. Let's try more daily phrases.
Yes, give me more.
Repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
I am doing my best.
I am doing my best.
Good. This is a very common phrase.
Yeah, I hear that a lot.
Next, I did my best.
I did my best.
That means you tried hard in the past.
I like that one.
Next, I have done my best.
I have done my best.
This sounds a little more emotional.
Yeah, like you're explaining something serious.
Exactly.
Wow, same words, different feeling.
Yes, that's why this topic is important.
I'm starting to see the difference clearly now.
Good. Let's add a small story.
Oh, I like stories.
Okay, listen carefully. Yesterday, Tom had a lot of work.
That sounds stressful already.
He did his homework in the morning.
Okay.
Then he did some office work.
Busy Tom.
In the evening, his friend called and asked, "Have you done everything?"
And I said,
You said, "Yes, I have done everything."
wow, I sound very productive in this story.
Yes, but wait.
Uh-oh.
Today, Tom is tired.
That's more realistic.
So now he is doing nothing.
Hey, that's not nice.
Okay. He is doing very little.
That's better.
See how we used did, done, and doing in one story?
Yeah, that really helps.
Stories make grammar easier.
I agree.
Now, let's challenge you a bit more.
I'm ready, I think.
I'll give you sentences. You fix them.
Oh, no. Okay.
I have did my homework.
Wrong. It should be, I have done my homework.
Good. I am did my work.
That's wrong. It should be, I am doing my work.
Perfect. I done my homework yesterday.
That's wrong too. It should be, I did my homework yesterday.
Excellent, Tom.
Wow, I'm actually improving.
You are. And if you're watching, you are improving too.
Yes, practice with us.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
I make mistakes all the time.
Same here.
Okay, Anna, quick question.
Yes?
Can doing be used in expressions?
Oh, yes, many.
Tell me some.
For example, what are you doing?
Classic.
How are you doing?
Oh, that means how are you?
Exactly.
I love that one.
I'm doing fine.
That sounds very natural.
Yes, very common in conversation.
What about done?
Good question. We say, I'm done.
Oh, yeah, that means finished.
Exactly, very common.
Like, I'm done with my work.
Perfect.
Or I'm done eating.
Yes.
That's super useful.
And for did, we often use questions like, Did you eat?
Did you call her?
Did you finish your work?
Wow, we use this every day.
Yes, that's why this lesson is so important.
I feel like I'm starting to think in English now.
That's a great sign.
Okay, I want more practice.
Good, because in the next part,
Oh, there's more?
yes, we will do longer conversations, real-life situations, and a fun story.
I'm excited already.
And we'll make you speak more.
Uh-oh. Okay, Anna, I'm ready for the next challenge.
Good, Tom, because now we're going deeper.
Deeper? That sounds scary.
Not scary, just more real life.
Okay, I like real life. That's where I make most of my mistakes.
That's perfect then. Mistakes help you learn.
That's what I tell myself every time I mess up.
All right, let's imagine a situation.
Okay.
You are at a cafe with your friend.
Nice. I like coffee.
Your friend asks you, "What are you doing these days?"
I think I say, I am doing a new job.
Good. That sounds natural.
Or I am doing a course.
Yes, perfect. Doing is often used with activities.
Oh, like doing homework, doing exercise, doing a project.
Exactly. Wait, we don't say making homework, right?
No, we say doing homework.
English is funny.
A little bit, yes. Okay, continue the cafe story.
Your friend asks, "Did you finish your last project?"
I say, yes, I did finish it.
Great. You can also say, "Yes, I did."
Oh, shorter answer. I like that.
Now your friend asks, "Have you done anything new recently?"
Yes, I have done a new course.
That's correct, but more natural would be, "I have done a course recently," or "I've taken a course."
Oh, okay. Still have done works.
Yes, it works.
I'm starting to hear the difference more clearly now.
That's because you're practicing in real situations.
Practice really helps. I guess there's no magic shortcut.
Nope, just consistent practice.
Okay, can we do a longer conversation?
Yes, let's act like two coworkers.
Okay, I'll try to sound professional.
Let's see.
Hey, Anna, what are you doing right now?
I am doing some office work.
Did you finish the report?
Yes, I did the report this morning.
Great. Have you done the email as well?
Yes, I have done the email too.
Wow, you're fast.
Thank you, Tom. What about you?
I am still doing my tasks.
Ah, still working.
Yes, I haven't done everything yet.
Perfect sentence, Tom.
Really?
Yes, I haven't done everything yet is very natural.
Oh, wow, I like that one.
You can use it in many situations.
Like, I haven't done my homework yet,
Exactly.
or I haven't done the shopping yet.
Perfect.
This is actually fun now.
See? Grammar can be fun.
Sometimes.
Okay, let's do a quick speaking practice.
All right,
I'll say a sentence, you repeat.
let's go.
I am doing my best.
I am doing my best.
I did my best.
I did my best.
I have done my best.
I have done my best.
Very good. Feel the difference?
Yeah, doing feels active, did feels finished, and have done feels like result.
Exactly, Tom. That's a great way to describe it.
I'm proud again.
You should be.
Okay, Anna, can we try a short emotional situation?
Oh, interesting. Yes.
Maybe an argument?
All right.
I'll stir. Anna, why are you upset?
Because you didn't call me.
I was busy. I was doing work all day.
But you said you would call.
I know. I did make a mistake.
At least you admit it.
I have done my work now, so I can talk.
Okay. I forgive you.
Wow, that ended well.
Yes, because you used good English.
That's the secret.
See how natural these words are in emotional situations, too?
Yeah, it didn't feel like grammar. It felt like real conversation.
That's exactly what we want.
Okay, I want a challenge now.
A challenge?
Yes, give me mixed questions.
All right, let's do quick-fire questions.
Oh, no. Okay.
What are you doing right now?
I am learning English.
Good. What did you do yesterday?
I did my homework and watched TV.
Nice. Have you done your chores?
Yes, I have done my chores.
Great. Are you still doing anything?
No, I am relaxing now.
Excellent.
That felt good.
You're getting faster.
Yeah, I didn't panic this time.
That's progress.
Okay, Anna, one thing still confuses me.
Tell me.
Sometimes I hear people say, I'm done, instead of, I have done.
Ah, good point.
What's the difference?
I'm done is just a shorter, more casual way to say I have finished.
So it doesn't literally mean I am done, like grammar?
It does, but we use it as an expression.
Oh,
For example, I'm done with my homework.
that sounds very natural.
Yes, very common in daily speech.
So instead of saying, I have done my homework, I can say, I'm done with my homework.
Exactly.
That's easier.
Yes, and more conversational.
I like conversational English.
Most learners do.
Okay, can we do one final story?
Of course, let's make it a little fun.
Good.
One day, Tom decided to change his life.
Wow, dramatic.
He said, I am doing something new today.
I like this version of me.
In the morning, he did exercise.
Very healthy.
Then he did his work on time.
Impressive.
By the evening, he said, I have done everything.
That's a great feeling.
But then,
Uh-oh.
his friend called and said, have you done your English practice?
Oh, no.
Tom said, oh, I forgot.
That's realistic.
So he started doing his English practice at night.
That's dedication.
And now he is improving every day.
That's me right now.
And that's you watching this video.
Yes, you are doing great.
You have done an amazing job staying until the end.
And you did not give up.
See, we used all three again.
I didn't even notice.
That means you're learning naturally.
That feels really good.
All right, let's quickly review.
Okay,
Doing, happening now.
I am doing my homework.
Did, finished in the past.
I did my homework.
Done, used with have, result is important.
I have done my homework.
Perfect.
Simple, but powerful.
Exactly.
Okay, before we end, question for viewers?
Yes.
Try this. Write one sentence with doing, one with did, and one with have done.
Great idea.
And post them in the comments.
We might read your sentences.
And maybe correct them too.
Don't be shy. Practice is the key,
Even if you make mistakes.
especially if you make mistakes.
That's how we learn.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.
We really hope this lesson helped you.
If you enjoyed this video,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep smiling.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye.